What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video, I thought we would talk about Ruroc and the Shockwave system. So far, I'm actually loving this helmet. It's relatively quiet. I don't expect it to drown out every bit of noise. I don't have buffeting, which as you can see, I have the taller windshield on here. This is the Freedom Shield's 14-inch.
A railroad crossing.
14-inch windshield, I believe. I really need to turn off that railroad crossing warning sign. Warning that comes up. This used to be rougher than hell. You would hate to hit it going 5 miles an hour. It's getting better. But anyways, I'm impressed with the Ruroc. I really wish I would have got it in a gloss black instead of flat, but that's on me. I didn't want to spend the extra money for the liquid carbon. It was like an extra $100, $200, I don't even remember now. Now the main reason I ended up going with the Ruroc is because they were throwing in the Shockwave system for free whenever I got it. And I thought, you know what, I've got the GoPro 12. It has the Bluetooth audio connection in it. So I thought that would come in handy for this type of stuff right here. Well, it's a bit finicky. When it comes to the connecting to the GoPro and connecting right. Y'all heard my audio, some of you heard my audio issues on my I can't remember which of the rallies moto vlogs it was. And that was the first time I attempted to use the audio. Apparently that person's not happy I passed them because now they're on my ass. But anyways, where were we? I had the audio issues the first time. Didn't have any problems with the connectivity. But now I've been having issues with connectivity, and it's a little bit on the annoying side. Now we're behind this truck, so I don't even know what kind of audio you're getting right now. We are going through the Shockwave right now. I already recorded one video twice because it didn't work the first time. It says it was connected, but it never actually picked up any audio. But hopefully we're doing it this time, and I think we are because it's beeping inside my helmet. I swear they're doing it on purpose to me, spacing out just far enough to make it almost impossible to pass. Oh, onto the Shockwave again. Yeah, it's having connectivity issues. It says it's connected. It came across my screen on my GoPro. Said it's connected to the Shockwave system. Great, awesome. Finished that first video. Scrolled down, or played with my GoPro without taking the helmet off, and went to listen back to that first video, and I had no audio. So hopefully we're good now. We're gonna pull over and see, and I need to reach out to one of the bigger names in motorcycle audio. But yeah, I'm not happy with the Shockwave system. The Ruroc helmet in general, I am happy with. But I think that's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one.